How to recover deleted archive Instagram stories. Follow these steps to easily recover your deleted any archive stories. And the process will be similar for Android and iPhone users. Go to your Instagram and go to your profile and tap on this menu icon. Tap on Archive and here select Story Archive. And here you will find all of your archived stories. And now let's delete these archive story. Okay, as you can see, I've deleted my archived story. And now I will show you how to recover deleted archive story. Go to your Instagram profile and tap on this menu icon. Now tap on your activity and here tap on recently deleted. Select story and here all of your deleted stories and deleted archive stories will store for 30 days. And here as you can see the deleted archive story showing up here. So to restore or recover this, tap on more, tap on restore, restore, and the deleted archive stories has been successfully restored. To find it, you have to go to your archive folder and here you will find the story. So this is how we can easily recover deleted archived Instagram stories. If this video will help you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.